I just wonder why women in our country still have to ask their husband for 200 rupees in 2025. I'm definitely sure that this video is going to trigger some people, but the truth needs to be said. So here I am. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Dilnaz Pathan and I hope everybody is doing well. Well, if you don't know me, I am certified life coach and I help people rebuilding their confidence and achieving their goals. Okay, so before I start the video, let me be clear about that I'm not talking about against marriage, neither against men or against being a housewife. To be honest, I do respect those women who choose to dedicate their whole life to the family in order to taking care of them. And it's indeed one of the toughest job. But what breaks my heart is when I see that they don't have any choice to choose to being a housewife or to choose working towards their goals. I come from a community where women in my age 24, 23, 22 are married, having kids, and the entire life revolves around household responsibilities. And again, nothing is wrong with that. It's a choice of women. But what I have seen and what hurts me, deeply hurts me, that those women once had their dreams, passion, and really wanted to do something in their lives. But society, family pressure, and the stereotype mindset clipped their wings before even they could try. Since I was very, very young, my father and I used to talk about these all things. He always wanted me to work on my dreams, my goals, and the things that I'm passionate about, and I'm very grateful for it. And still, he and I talk about these things, about politics, about women's education, the rights, and so many things. Most of the confidence that I have comes from my dad. He always has taught me to speak about justice, injustice. मैंने ये चीज़ें बहुत करीब से बारीकी से देखी हुई हैं, not only in my family but also few of my friends, few of my cousins, and this is why exactly I'm making this video. To talk about openly what women, the young girls, should prioritize first. To talk about why women need self-dependency, why financial independence matters, and why your identity is so much more than of being someone's wife and daughter-in-law. I'll tell you guys a story. I have seen it in front of my eyes. One of the lady in my family was asking for 2 or 500 rupees from her husband, and his response was, तुम्हें किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, मैं सब कुछ तो ला के देता हूँ. And that सब कुछ includes groceries. Basically that she is cooking for him and their kids and his family members. That is the thing that he is paying for. Okay, so do you see the problem? She has to explain for just 200 or 500 rupees, not even $1,000. And this is what happens when women are not financially independent. They become dependent on someone else for every little thing. And even if the husband is nice, she is still not free. What I see and read around me, that girls at 22 or 23 are forced to get married just because the society and family says. Their identity becomes someone's wife, someone's daughter-in-law, and someone's mom. And मेरा खून कब खौलता है? When I see that their whole life is planned by others who don't have to do anything with their life. The question is, why does this keep happening still in 2025? One of the most common reason is because the family thinks that the marriage is ultimate achievement for the girl. Second reason is we grew up in an environment where household chores are normal, but if we are ambitious for something, that is considered as selfish. Third, and very important, that women hardly and rarely see the role models for themselves in their home who chose different paths. And the fourth is, which really boils my blood, is The patriarchy has taught us that the good girl doesn't ask for money, doesn't ask for the dreams, and never ask for the financial independence. And they do what the family says so. When you don't choose yourself, you are a good girl. और ये साइकिल चलता ही रहता है जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन। औरतें भी वही सिखाती हैं अपने बच्चों को, अपनी बेटियों को, जो उन पे बीती हुई है। यू नो, आई हैव सीन इट दैट women who have tolerated so many things, वो अपनी डॉटर्स को भी यही सिखाना चाहती हैं कि हमने इतना दुख झेला है तो तुम्हें इतना तो झेलना पड़ेगा। They don't try कि हाँ मेरे पे बीता है, not everybody of course, जो मेरे पे बीता है वो मेरी बेटियों के साथ ना हो। But now it's time to break some myths. Myth number 1 is, if woman wants to work for her goals, she is disrespecting marriage. But the truth is, she is just fulfilling her own potential. इसमें disrespecting marriage कहाँ से आ जाता है? Myth number 2, that financial independency makes women selfish. पैसे कमाने लगी है, that means she doesn't care about her family anymore. She is selfish और अपने बारे में ही सोचती है. Okay, but the truth is, it makes her stronger partner. She is able to contribute to her kids, to her husband, a stronger mother and a stronger human being who is able to teach her kids what does real strength mean. Myth number 3, लड़का अच्छा है, गवर्नमेंट जॉब वाला है, पैसे अच्छे कमाता है, so you don't have to earn. Okay, let's talk about it. After getting married, what if she wants to give some gifts to her own mother, her own father, brothers and sisters? What about that? She still has to ask for money to her husband. And कहीं ना कहीं those so-called nice husbands are going to mention that ये तो मेरे पैसे हैं. You know what I mean? That's the real problem. And I'm telling you guys, मैं ये बड़ी बड़ी बातें नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am talking about these things because I have seen it, I have heard it from someone to someone, from someone to someone. I have talked to few of my clients who talk about these things, and this is reality. And I know most of you know that. Some people just hide that, and some people are able to talk about these things. And let's be honest, it's not only about the money. Even if you are rich, your husband is rich. It's about self-respect. When you are on yourself, you have so much self-respect. You know that I'm doing something for myself. I will be able to pay fees of my kids. I don't have to ask for anything. You have to be independent, no matter what. Because the world is very, very, very cruel to the poor woman. अगर आपके पास पैसे नहीं हैं, as a woman in our country, आपकी कोई इज्जत नहीं है, कोई भी इज्जत नहीं है. मुझे पहले ये सब बड़ी बड़ी बातें लगती थी, but now being a 24-year-old woman, I have realized is money is very important, especially when you are women. और ना कई जगह पे होता क्या है, लोग, द फैमिली, सोसाइटी हम इतना मैनिपुलेट कर देते हैं कि अगर हम अपने फैमिली की टेक केयर नहीं कर रहे, आई मीन शादी नहीं कर रहे और ये सारी चीज़ें, संसारिक जीवन नहीं जी रहे, दैट मीन्स वी आर चूजिंग टू स्टे सेल्फिश. हम मैनिपुलेट हो जाते हैं कि आप ऐसे नहीं हो तो आप अच्छी लड़की नहीं हो, अच्छे घर की बहू बेटी नहीं हो आप. बट ऐसा नहीं होता. You can be an independent woman and still can choose your family, love them, take care of them. We as a human being need to understand this. Choosing your dream doesn't mean rejecting your family. It means that loving yourself enough so you can stand for your loved ones. कि मैंने देखा है जब तक आप अपने, मैंने फील किया है, बिकॉज जब तक आप अपने आप से सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार नहीं करते, you won't be able to take care of your family members or love them fully. कहीं ना कहीं औरतें बोली देती हैं कि मैंने पूरी ज़िंदगी तुम लोगों के लिए बिता दी, मुझे क्या मिला. Why they say that? Because उन्हें कुछ मिला ही नहीं. Why? Because they dedicated their whole life to someone else and didn't love their own self, didn't respect their own self. ये चीज़ें यहीं से आती हैं एंड फिर ये जनरेशनल ट्रॉमा बन जाता है. आई हैव सीन इट दैट पीपल कंसीडर अ सिंगल वुमेन लाइक इन अ वेरी सिंपैथेटिक वे कि हाय बिचारी. व्हाट्स बिचारी इन दैट? आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू वन ऑफ माई फैमिली मेम्बर, लाइक दूर के रिश्तेदार, एंड दैट वुमेन टोल्ड मी दैट गेट मैरिड दिलनाज, हैव सम किड्स, यू विल बी हैप्पी. कब तक अकेले रहोगे? आई मीन, yeah, definitely I want to get married, I want to have kids, I want to take care of my family members too. But हर एक चीज़ का अपना अपना टाइम होता है. राइट नाउ आई हैव सो मैनी अदर थिंग्स टू फिगर आउट. I just can't get married and have kids and okay, calling my dad, Dad, can you send me this money to pay my kids' fees? Does it make sense? Get some job, get some job. Okay, apart from everything, here's the shift that we need. On a serious note, I'm saying that women need to have self-dependency over anything else. Anything else. I'm telling you girls, go get study done. Get your job, earn some money, feed your mother and father, get a car and follow your passion. शादी अपने टाइम पे हो जाएगी. So don't fool yourself for those things. Because when you stand on your own feet, you just don't earn money. You earn self-respect, confidence, freedom for own self. I have seen women who started after marriage doing just some small things. Tutoring, sewing, content creation, whatever skills they have, working on it. And slowly they became role models to the family. The kids looks up to them differently. Their husband respect them differently. And the most importantly, वो औरतें अपने आप को सबसे ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट करती हैं. And they feel so secure, so confident on it. And ladies, मेरी एक बात मानो, that dreams never have expiry date. Never ever. It's never too late. You are never too old. Even if you are married, even if you are mother, you still have the right to dream for yourself. Because आप जब अपने आप से प्यार करोगे, you will be able to love your family member differently with the freedom. Okay, now it's time to get practical. If you are watching this video and nodding कि okay ये सब तो ठीक है, but how do I start? Where do I start? The real question comes here. So here are some steps that I'm going to tell you. You really have to do it. It's just not कि हाँ मैंने वीडियो देख ली और हो गया, सुन लिया और हो गया. You have to do it. You really need to follow the steps and have to take actions. Write down what you truly want. Not what your husband, not what your parents, not what your laws. What you want. Second, pick just one skill or something that you are talented on. कोई भी स्किल हो सकती है. इवन इफ यू आर गुड एट क्रोशिंग. आई नो सो मैनी विमेन आउट देयर डू नो दिस थिंग्स, आर वेरी गुड एट पेंटिंग, so many things. So just pick one skill, learn about those things through online, through the communities. There are so many free modules available, resources. If you need my help, please DM me, reach out to me. I will help you to find those resources. And just work on it. You need to work on it. Third thing, start building confidence daily. योगा शुरू करो घर पे. I know जिम जाना is not practical thing for some of you guys, but घर पे वर्कआउट करना शुरू करो, एक्सरसाइज करना शुरू करो, योगा करना शुरू करो. Take some small risk, fight for yourself and do journal about all those things and enjoy, celebrate your small wins. And again, if you need my help, I also have few free slots open for my one-on-one session in which I talk about rebuilding confidence, how to stay on a track. Like, I will really help you. Apart from that, the fourth thing is have uncomfortable but honest conversation with your family, with your husband. Because चुप रहने से, ये सोचने से कि अब तो टाइम चला गया, these things are not going to change anything. Not at all. Start just with one because small things really make big difference. It really does. Alright, so let's wrap up this video and here is my final message. I want you to sit with yourself and ask yourself, who am I beyond the roles that society has given me? Because again, yourself matters the most. Who you are to yourself. Your independence, whether it's emotional, financial or personal, it's not a luxury. It's a necessity. The day that you will stop asking for a permission for 200 rupees, the day you will stop asking for permission to go somewhere with your friends, with your family, and the day that you will stand tall on your feet, that's the day the life changes for you. So don't wait for the perfect time. And you don't have to wait for somebody who understands you, because हर एक जगह कोई हमें समझने नहीं आएगा. You are the one who have to fight for yourself. Because जब आप अपनी आखिरी सांसें ले रहे होगे, जब आप हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड होगे कुछ चीज़ों की वजह से, और इफ़ योर डॉटर और योर सन और एनीबडी एल्स आस्क यू दैट आपको कोई रिग्रेट है अपनी लाइफ में, तो आपके मुंह से ये ना निकले कि काश मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी अपने हिसाब से अपने तरीके से जी होती, काश मैंने अपने ड्रीम्स पे अपने पैशन पे काम किया होता. I don't want you to see that. And you have to rewrite your story for the women who comes after you. You have to be their role model, to your daughter's role model. So they will remember that, yes, my mom, my cousin, whatever you have relation with them, वो तो यार कुछ अलग ही इंसान थी. You have to leave an impact on him. Alright, so this video is getting a little bit emotional to me. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. And yeah, if you want to book one-on-one session, you can DM me, and also I am leaving a link in the description box, so you can just DM, and it's totally free. Yeah, last but not the least, if this video helps you to get clarity and make you feel seen, please do not keep it to yourself. Do share with the women who needs to watch this, to your mother, to your aunts, to your cousins, or to anyone who needs to hear this.